Hi, so I'm Eva from France and I'm a math and physics student. I'm 18 years old. And so I first started to like geosciences at school when we learned it from a very young age in France. And so then I chose this as an option in high school. And I took part in the Olympiads, international Olympiads. And so I went in China for the International Olympiads of 2024 last year. And it was incredible. I met a lot of different people from a lot of different countries. And it was a very rich experience. So I met different culture, how it's different to the differences between the different way to learn earth sciences. So during the Olympiads, we had some tests on the field and on the computer. And it was really fun because we also had team tests. So we had presentations to do with the international teams. And so it was an incredible piece of teamwork. And so I really enjoyed that part. And when I came back to France, I wanted to pursue the idea to explain geoscience to people around me. And so I created a way to speak about earth science, but with a point of view more original. So I used some snacks and foods to make experiments on a geoscience topic. With these experiments, people eat and learn. So people eat and learn. And so it's very fun. And I did a few workshops on different events throughout the year. And so that's why I came here to this workshop to talk about it and to learn other things about how to teach earth sciences. So in the future, I want to obtain a PhD. So I want to do a bit of research. I'm not sure if it will be on earth science because now I'm a math student, but I really enjoy mixing subjects and topics. And so if I found a subject about math, physics and earth science, it would be really great. So maybe working on a boat to study the ocean and other things inside, it would be really great. So I've never been to India before. And so I discovered a lot of differences on the roads and on this campus, but it's really great it feels like family how we are and how we study. And so we have some workshops, discussions, and it's really interactive. And so it's really nice and amazing how we are here. Yeah, I hope in the future we will continue to have international events to speak how it's different between countries and how we can improve our ways to live and to live in a better world, I hope, for us.